There's a little typo in my article. Instead of saying cryotherapy, it says crytherapy.
Crytherapy!
I don't need a device to make me cry. Welcome to Beauty Writer Roundup. I'm Jazz, our beauty editor here at Adore, and today we are talking about at-home beauty devices. So we're looking at a few devices that, while they are a little bit, most of them, more expensive up front, long term, you're going to be able to save on the cost per use. And in the meantime, it's a nice little treat for yourself, pamper yourself over the next few months when it's getting a bit cold. Just feels good to feel good. So the following devices are our top 5 as rated by Adore Beauty staff, but they're in no particular order. So the first device we're looking at is the Foreo UFO. It is a bunch of different treatments in one. So it harnesses the full spectrum of LED light therapy, which if you're new to LED light therapy, there's different colored lights that you apply like on your skin, and they can target a bunch of different skin concerns from like pigmentation to acne scarring. I think it's 8 in total off the top of my head, as well as cryotherapy and T-Sonic, which is Foreo's own trademark treatment that's essentially just like facial massaging and toning. So it's designed to be used in conjunction with one of Foreo's masks. And just like a regular face mask, there's one for every sort of concern. So if it's like hydrating that you're after, clarifying, whatever that you're looking for, you would use that in conjunction with this one. And it's really just gonna nourish and soften your skin and help it soak up all that goodness. It's designed to be used for 90 seconds at a time, which I guess if you're thinking comparing that to an in-clinic treatment, it's obviously a lot faster, which means you can do it more regularly as well. It retails at the moment on Adore Beauty for $4.99. So it is a little bit steep, but it's an investment in your skin and your well-being. The next one we're going to be talking about is Trophy Skin Rejuvalite. You may have seen our senior content manager and podcast host, Joe, using this one before. So the Rejuvalite harnesses 4 different lights all together. So you've got red, yellow, amber, and infrared. And together they target a host of skincare concerns. It's also good for just overall radiance. So it can be really calming, reduce redness in your skin too, especially if you're someone that has a little bit more sensitive redness prone skin. It's really good for that. So it would just help kind of support a healthy glow. So this one's $3.25, and it's really convenient because you can pop it on your bedside table, and at the end of the night before you go to bed, you can sit under it.
Have you seen the goggles it comes with?
No.
Let me show you.
Are they stylish? Oh my God.
You're hot.
Do I look cute?
Yeah.
Next up, we have maybe my personal favorite just because it's so cute. So this is the Foreo Bear, and this is essentially a facial toning device that uses microcurrents to really tone and give your skin essentially like a workout. So it's really good if you're looking for a more, I guess, radiant, youthful looking appearance. It basically taps into this super smart technology that measures the skin's resistance to electricity, and then it will move to suit your face accordingly. So it's super safe and make sure that it's really comfortable. It's also 100% pain-free as well. I know these devices can look a little bit intimidating, but all of the ones that we're talking about today are completely safe to use on your skin and will not hurt you. So this one, because it's the mini, it's a little bit more affordable. So this one comes in at $3.59, and there's also a bigger size, which is just the Bear, and that is $5.49. You are just going to apply serum on your face, and then there's actually an app that you can have personalized sort of face workouts and different routines that you can go through depending on what you're trying to achieve. So it's super easy to use. So the next one we're going to talk about is definitely on the more affordable end of the scale, and that's the Kitsch Ice Roller. You just pop it in the freezer for 15 minutes. That's going to obviously really cool down, and you're just rolling it literally over your face. Very self-explanatory. Good for the morning if you wake up with puffy eyes, tired eyes, especially coming into winter as well. It's just a good way to wake up because it's really going to push that blood flow through your face. And I also feel like it's like a good like emotional support beauty tool, like if you're stressed. So the ice roller is available on Adore Beauty for $25, and just a really easy one to incorporate into your routine. Last but not least, we are talking about the PMD Clean Pro. It's available in a few different colors. Some I believe are sold out at the moment. This one just gives you a really, really good facial clean massage. So it has 7,000 vibrations per minute. It's designed to be used in conjunction with your cleanser, and you can also use it with your serums. Apply your cleanser. You're going to wash this one in the water. Obviously, it's 100% waterproof. Turn it on, and you're just going to use it like, I guess, a brush over your face. And it's really going to help get into your pores and support, really cleaning them out, reducing the oil and balancing everything. You would wash your face as per usual, wash your cleanser off, and then when you get to the serum stage, you can also apply that and then use this to sort of gently press it into the skin as well. And it's just going to make sure that you soak up all the goodness from your serums. Once it's fully charged, you'll get about 3 hours worth. It's also completely antibacterial and you don't need to change the head. So these retail at $2.25 currently on the Adore Beauty website. And there are some options if you like this one has the rose quartz in it. And there's also a mini version that's $99. Thanks for listening, guys. If you want to check out any more videos about different devices available on Adore, head here.
That's like a lamp post. I love it.